Hey Skill Squad, you talk every day, right? Let's make it better. Stop saying this and say this instead. It's time for your communication glow up. Tiny word changes can actually make a huge difference. Instead of saying, I don't know, say, let me think about it. Instead of, sorry to bother you, try, can you help me real quick? Instead of saying, I can't do this, try flipping it to, I'm still learning, but I'll figure it out. It just sounds way more positive, right? And the big one, instead of saying, it's fine when it's not, say, I need a minute. See what just happened? You didn't get dramatic. You didn't shut down. You kept your voice, your confidence, and your control. That is the power of saying things differently. So today, pick just one phrase, swap it. Watch how people respond to you. Comment which one you're upgrading first. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more communication upgrades. See you next time.